Hey guys, so today's video is going to be how I do my cut crease, the tricks I use and what I use in achieving this beautiful gold cut crease. So let's just jump into the video, guys. So first thing first, I am using this concealer as my first base, just to cover up those dark areas of my eye, using a tiny beauty blender to just blend that out. Then after that, I'm going to set the concealer with this milani powder in 109 using this brush, but the brush was not doing justice to what I wanted, so I grabbed my tiny beauty blender to just pat that onto the eye. While I do that, I would like you guys to just take this opportunity to just subscribe to my channel, guys. Just support me by doing that. It's not going to cost you anything to subscribe. So I'm using this setting powder to set under my eye so it can catch any fallout when I'm going to do the eyeshadow. So the first eyeshadow I'm going to use is Zulu by Juvia, and I'm going to take that brown shade. Just going to pat that onto my crease, then blend it out properly. So I'm going to take that brown from the Anita Brow palette eyeshadow from rlgcosmetics. I'm also going to apply that on my crease just to deepen the crease. So taking a small blending brush like this, I'm going to take that orange shade to blend out the eyeshadow that I've already applied on my crease, just to get rid of any harsh line. So taking another blending brush, this one is from Root Technique. I'm going to take that black shade from the same palette and I'm going to apply that on my crease as well, just to give it more depth. So after blending it, I'm going to take my elegant concealer and a flat brush like this to start cutting my crease. So guys, I'm going to show you the trick I use in doing my cut crease. So I take my eyes up like so, then check where the concealer gets to, put it wherever it transfers to, I cut it right there. By so doing, you won't ruin your whole eyeshadow look when you're done with it. So what I do, I just take my eyes up, check where the concealer or primer transfers to, then I cut that particular place. That's just a simple trick. So after cutting my crease, I go back to that same black that I used to just blend out the concealer. So after that, I take that gold eyeshadow in that palette, the same rlgcosmetics eyeshadow palette. Then I'm going to use the same flat brush I use in cutting my crease to pat that gold eyeshadow on my lid. So guys, you need a well detailed flat brush like this one, because this one is going to guide you on where to apply the gold eyeshadow or whatever color you want to apply on your lid. Like, you can see how this one is just giving me the perfect look that I want. So after applying the eyeshadow, the good eyeshadow, I went back to the same black eyeshadow again. Just blend those two colors together. You don't want to see any harsh line. So using that small blending brush, I took the brown eyeshadow, just blend more on the crease, just to define my cut crease more. And after that, I took these pressed glitters from Glitz and Glam. It is very beautiful and very easy to work with. So I took that champagne gold and the palette, then pat that on top the gold eyeshadow. So guys, I went off camera to do the other eye. Then this is how it looks. And I'm just patting the same gold glitters on my lid. So I buff out the setting powder, then I use this milani powder to set the whole of my face. Then moving on to my under eye, I smudged my eye with the black eyeshadow, the brown, and also the orange. Then I'm going to line my waterline using this Zaron black eyeliner. So for my lashes, I'm going to use this no name lashes. I ended up with the longer one. So before wearing my lashes, I set my face, the whole of my face, using the Younger Beauty Set to Go setting spray, and I use this Zaron liquid liner to line my eyes first before I'm wearing my lashes. So I have a detailed video of how I fix my lashes. I will link it down in the description box if you wish to watch. So now I'm applying mascara onto my natural lashes just to blend the natural and the falsies. Then also applying mascara on my bottom lashes as well. So now onto the lips. I'm using this Maybelline lip balm just to soften my lip before applying my lipstick. Then I'm using this Nuban Beauty brush to apply some highlight onto my face, my nose, my cupid bone, and my chin, and also my brow bone. So guys, I went off camera to do my lips. It is not lip tutorial, guys, so I decided not to include it in this video. So I was done with the look, guys. Look at those eyes, man. Those eyes are just popping. So I was done with the look, and I decided to just style my hair a bit for some pictures. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys a lot. So before you go, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. It won't cost you anything to subscribe. Just support this channel by subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.